me an elder. I am not so much an elder. I am still in training. Because I look to Mother Earth for guidance. I look to Father Sky.
The way our societies have developed has had humans grow apart from nature. And I think the biggest lesson from being here is that we're interconnected.
This project reflects our best values here in Portland. The protection of our great natural environment for future generations.
So that's compost in it, huh?
I think by returning the floodplain to its natural condition, I think younger folks can see what a natural floodplain looks like, how floodplains can store water during the flood season, during the non-flood seasons, what kinds of habitat opportunities are offered.
Our world is incredibly complex, and what's really cool about this part of Portland is this is like the cutting edge of where people and nature can coexist.
20 years ago, we would be standing among houses and streets that every time Johnson Creek flooded, they would be damaged.
Johnson Creek was looked upon as a flooding problem and an urban storm sewer.
This project is really great because it showcases Portland's commitment and follow-through to completing a whole floodplain restoration. The early emphasis of this project was to acquire floodplain damaged homes. Phase 2 part of the project is actually the floodplain restoration, which in fact returns the floodplain to holding floodwaters.
Before the project and during the project, I think there was quite a bit of skepticism, but we had a pretty large flood in 2011 and Foster Road didn't flood. That was sort of a turning point in the opinion of the neighborhood. And then phase 2 in 2012, I know people were really excited about the planting and the opportunity to get involved with the project.
People ask us from time to time why, through the years, because my husband worked at Bonneville as an administrator, why didn't we move to the west side of town? I think the answer is we like the people here. It was a lot more fun.
Do we do it like we know?
I carried 2 buckets, she carried 2 buckets. See?
Let's make him a little hole so he can breathe.